Goals, goals, goals. Just think that you and your team members and your opponent team, you all are playing football on a ground. There is one ball and every person is struggling for that one ball. But at the end, there is no goal post of both of teams. Both teams don't has any goal post, any goal line. So now just imagine how it will feels. You are just struggling for something which is not exist. One day a traveler was traveling and he stopped at a place. He asked an elderly man that, "Sir, where does this road take me?" The elderly person asked, "Where do you want to go?" Then that traveler person said that, "I don't know." Then the man, means the elderly man, replied with a smile, "Then take any road. Because you don't have any destination, then which road you will take, you will go there. Doesn't matter." This is how life sounds when we don't have any goals. So that's why goals are very, very, very important. But sometimes we become very motivated and very excited, and because for that reason we take some foolish decision and we make some imperfect goals, and because for them after few days we give up and we blame ourselves that we are the losers, we are the failures. But my friends, try to understand, you gave up not because for yourself, you gave up because for that imperfect goal. And today in this video I will share with you how to make perfect goals. Hi and hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I am Prathib talking with you, and today's video's topic is goal setting. So guys, let's start this video with a very little story. Once upon a time there was an Indian sage. One day he was teaching his disciple the art of archery. So he set a wooden bird as a target and he asked his disciple to aim the eye of the bird. But before to aim, the sage asked the first disciple that what you see at the time of aiming. And then the first disciple replied, "I see the tree, I see the branches, I see the leaves, I see the sky, I see the bird and its eyes." And then the first disciple shot the arrow, but unfortunately the arrow didn't shoot the eye of the bird. And now the same question the sage asks to the second disciple. But the second disciple replied it very differently. He replied that I only see the eye of the bird. And then the sage said, "Very good, now shoot." And the arrow went straight to the eye of the bird. I know that this story is also similar to something. Now comment me down below which story it sounds. You know the story. Yes. The story's moral is that unless we focus, we can't achieve. In your life, don't be like the first disciple who saw lots of things. The trees, the branches, the leaves, the skies, the birds, and his eyes. If you be like him, then never in your life you are gonna do something great. You can't success. But if you be like the second disciple who only saw the eyes of the birds, then in a very quick time you will do something in your life. Yes, because whenever we will focus on lots of things, then we can't success in that one thing. But when you will focus on that one thing, when you will concentrate on that one thing, then obviously you are gonna be great. The things that I have said, that proves that in our life goals, they are very important, and we always should focus on that one goal, not many goals. Yes, you can many goals, but your purpose only should be one. Yes, and for that you will make many goals. But now it's the time for the goal setting. Yes guys, how to make goals. So if you want to make perfect goals for your life and for your purpose, then just follow few rules, and those rules are smart rules. Yes guys, but now here is a point. The smart is not a word smart, or the smart which refers to the clever. It is not that. It is the SMART, smart rule. Now the first thing, which is S. So S refers to specific. The statement I wish to lose weight. It is a wishful thinking. And if you think like this, then never you are gonna achieve, and never you are gonna lose your weight. So if you want to lose weight, then you have to pin yourself down to I will lose 10 pounds in 90 days. This is your goal, and this is a specific goal. Now the second was, which is M, and M means must be measurable and quantifiable. Yes, measurement is a way to monitoring your progress. If you say that I want to be happy, is it a goal? Absolutely not. Because being happy is a state of mind. But now how you will convert it into goal? If you want to convert it into goal, then you have to ask yourself what will make you happy. And this will convert everything. If you say that I want to spend 1 hour with my family members and it will give me happiness, now it is measurable and it is quantifiable. So you have to be a little bit clever. Now guys, it is and A refers to achievable. And achievable means your goal should make you stretch or be challenging. Yes, your goals should be a slightly out of reach but not out of sight. Okay, because out of reach is motivating, but out of sight is demotivating. And now it is the time for R, and R refers to realistic. If your goal is to lose 50 pounds in 30 days, then you are being unrealistic. But for to achieve any goal, you should make it realistic. And now the last one, which is T, and T means time bound. Yes, time is very important. You always should set a starting time, means a starting date and an ending date for your goals. And it will give you more pressure, and when you will get more pressure, you will do the work more harder. So these are the SMART 5 rules which will make your goal achievable. So guys, it was the video. My task was to share with you the perfect way to make a goal, a perfect and a proper goal, and I did. Remember this SMART, smart rules, before to make any goals, and just write down. So just use them and see the magic. Bye bye to a great man. Nothing is little. This video is end here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Bye bye. See you in another video.